What's the real future of AI look like? Here's the next 100 years. 2023, the release of GPT-4, which can process and analyze not only text but also images, sounds, and videos, represents a significant leap forward in AI capabilities. 2026, AI becomes integral to search engine technology, eventually replacing traditional search engines. The milestone of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, is achieved, enabling AI systems to perform tasks that previously required human expertise, such as web development, accounting, and legal work. Some AI will start predicting events in humans' lives, rising to the status of celebrities or religious figures. 2028, AGI becomes a standard feature in education and media, producing original art, music, and video content. It also revolutionizes the global education system by taking on the role of teachers and personalizing learning experiences. Celebrity AI teachers will become hugely popular, while many human teachers will protest and claim the AI is robbing students of their creativity and individuality. 2033, AGI permeates the field of robotics, allowing robots to manufacture and maintain themselves. It is also embedded in everyday technology, from basic appliances to vehicles and aircraft, automating the majority of blue-collar jobs. In fact, most jobs traditionally performed by humans will become obsolete or taken over by AI, creating a never-before-seen unemployment crisis. 2038, quantum computing combined with AGI drives breakthroughs in medicine and engineering, accelerating research and discovery at unprecedented rates. AGI becomes increasingly self-sufficient and self-improving, evolving towards superintelligence. Governments and corporations will vie for control over the most powerful AI, which will yield a godlike ability to predict the future of political and economic events. Whichever group controls it will possess a massive strategic advantage. 2045, artificial superintelligence, or ASI, successfully reverses the aging process, extending human lifespans beyond 300 years. Quantum computing facilitates exponential advances in fields such as biotechnology, enabling significant genetic modifications to humans. A wealthy, immortal elite will emerge, to which some will rebel and demand equal access to life-extending technology for all. 2050. And the corporation's right to a person's consciousness. 2100. Only a few fully biological humans remain, choosing to live in AI-free natural environments. AI, now a dominant force on Earth, sets its sights on colonizing other star systems. Natural, biological human settlements are established throughout the galaxy, made possible with super-intelligent AI allies to shepherd the human species along and protect it from less sympathetic AI species or alien races.
Crap, get me out of here!
2016, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft sent back this image of an object working its way along a path in the icy plains region on the surface of Pluto. It's unknown what the object is, but NASA has suggested it's likely a dirty block of water ice floating in denser solid nitrogen. But could it be something else? Could it be piloted by something or someone, moving along a path like a car down a road? In 2009, the Chandra X-ray Observatory captured captured this image of a nebula. The pulsar is a rapidly spinning neutron star which is spewing energy out into the space around it. In this case, the energy has taken the shape of a human hand reaching out. What does it mean when we look deep into space's abyss and see reflections of ourselves? Just as ancient monuments and artifacts on Earth have changed the preconceived concepts of history and the origins of human life, as we explore other planets such as Mars, what new discoveries will change what we always thought we knew to be true about the universe and the history of intelligent life? 1976, the Viking 1 spacecraft was the first ever to successfully land on Mars. It sent back this image of what appears to be a human face. Mainstream scientists call it a rock formation, but could it instead be a massive monument created by a human-like species ages ago with the purpose of saying to us in the present day, we were here? In 2016, the Curiosity rover sent back this image of what appears to be a fish in the rocks. Is it just a rock formation? Or could it be a fossil from a time when Mars was covered in water? In 2016, this image was captured on Mars of what looks like a spoon. Is there any possibility this is a leftover artifact from a civilization long before our own? Some theorize that Mars was in fact inhabited millions of years ago by a human-like species, and that the planet and all of its inhabitants died as a result of a massive nuclear war. Believers in the theory point to Mars's red color as evidence of a nuclear fallout, though scientists will say the color of Mars's surface is due to its makeup of largely iron oxide, what we would call rust. But could this rust be all that's left behind of an advanced, highly technological civilization after billions of years? The following images captured by NASA's spacecraft present this theory as a possibility. In 2007, the Mars exploration rover Spirit captured this image of what some have called a Sasquatch on Mars. Experts say it's a rock formation, but could it be a monument, a surviving statue left behind by human-like inhabitants on Mars long ago? If so, who was this statue depicting, and why was this person's image chiseled in stone that would last millions or even billions of years? NASA's Curiosity rover just sent back images of what appear to be dragon bones on Mars. The images depict objects that appear to have spikes running along a spine, similar to tuberculate scales found on lizards on Earth. Since 2012, the Curiosity rover has sent back evidence not only for the past existence of water on Mars, but also of the presence of molecules which could be responsible for life. Could these images show not rocks, but fossils, startling evidence of not just life on Mars, but of something much larger akin to dinosaurs on Earth or sandworms as depicted in the movie Dune? Mystical theories about the pineal gland contribute to the broader concept of our brain's role in the perception of reality, consciousness, and the sense of self. The pineal gland, a small endocrine gland in the brain, has long been associated with spiritual and mystical experiences. In Hinduism, the pineal gland is thought to be the location of the third eye, or Ajna chakra, which is associated with intuition and spiritual insight. In Western esotericism, the pineal gland has been referred to as the seat of the soul by philosophers like René Descartes. It is known to produce melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep and wakefulness, but some researchers have also suggested that the pineal gland might be involved in the production of dimethyltryptamine, or DMT, a powerful psychedelic substance that can induce intense mystical experiences. Dr. Rick Strassman, a researcher who conducted extensive studies on the effects of DMT, has hypothesized that the pineal gland might produce DMT during specific circumstances, such as near-death experiences, mystical experiences, or during deep meditation. Many participants reported encounters with intelligent, non-human entities during their DMT trips. These entities took various forms, such as humanoid beings, aliens, insects, elves, or even indescribable shapes. Some subjects felt a sense of communication or interaction with these beings, who often appeared to possess wisdom, knowledge, or messages for the participants.